millions of people have put off the treatment that they need for their spine, shoulder, hip, and knee.
We're here to help you get the answers that you need so you can get out of pain and get your life back. Whether it's playing tennis, racquetball, basketball, football, soccer, hiking, bicycling, we can help you do just that.
Have your elective surgery in an ambulatory surgery center, like ours, Phoenix Spine and Joint.
If you'd like to learn more, then please reach out to one of our Patient Solutions advocates or visit our website, phoenixspineandjoint.com, and we'd be happy to talk to you for a free second opinion.